In this tutorial, you'll learn simple and efficient ways to draw a rectangle in Autocad using both manual and command-based methods. Whether you are a beginner exploring the basics or someone looking to refine their drafting skills, understanding how to draw a rectangle is a fundamental skill that can streamline your design process. When it comes to creating a rectangle in Autocad, there are several methods you can use, each offering its own advantages. One of the most straightforward approaches is to draw it manually using the line command. To begin, simply type line into the command prompt and press enter. From there, you can either proceed to manually draw out your rectangle or enter specific measurements that define your rectangle's dimensions. This method allows for a high level of precision and flexibility, as you can create rectangles that meet your exact specifications. But there's another, more efficient way to draw rectangles, especially if you're working with precise measurements. This method involves using the rectangle command, which quickly becomes a go-to shortcut once you get the hang of it. To use this command, you can type rectangle into the command prompt. For those who prefer brevity, you can just type rec and press enter. What this does is activate the rectangle tool, giving you the ability to draw directly using your mouse, or enter the dimensions of your rectangle if you're working with specific measurements. Using the rectangle command streamlines the process significantly. You are immediately able to input the desired length and width of your rectangle, and Autocad will instantly generate it for you. This is not only time efficient, but also reduces the chances of errors that can occur with manual drawing. It also gives you the ability to work in various workspace units,